You need to disassemble the deck lid of your M45 or M35 for whatever reason. Some of them might be to gain access to this, replace that if it's cracked, replace or install a rear view camera. For whatever reason you want to remove these chrome pieces over here. Can't think of any other reason you'd want to. You need to remove this plastic piece. It goes over, oh, there you go. And your first tool is going to be an 8mm socket is encouraged here. You have 5 screws that you want to deal with, 5 bolts and nuts. One basically in all the 5 in all the large excess holes. Of course, I'm not mentioning that you need to remove the trunk trim piece. You just have push clips, and what I usually use is that tool. It works pretty well. Get spares. You might break those. So once you remove the trunk lining, the deck lid lining, you'll see 5 large holes all aligned, and that's where you have the bolts and nuts you're dealing with. So one here, another one here, one in the middle here in the large excess hole, and a reflection on the other side, right? So 8mm socket. I mean, that just works better that way. You have other clips here, or other fasteners that you need to worry about. I guess you can see that from here. Okay, here you have 3 of these, so you can see this one from the second excess hole right here. You see this white one here, right? So these are kind of, well, not really standard. I haven't seen them that frequently, but let me get the middle one. So there's one in this hole here, there's another one here, there you go, and there's another one that you can see from that third larger hole. There you go, it's like a tooth. It might be better for us to actually do this. Go to the outside and start pulling at everything. Gently as you can, but firmly. So just pull this up. This one's got push clips. So lift it all the way up. There you go. Just running my hand. Same thing at the other end. Okay. So all the way to the end, and you want to do the same here. There you go. That's as far as it can go. Get a piece of wood or a wedge, just something to give it pressure, keep it up. Once I pry it, as I usually say with my videos, all this work goes much easier if you're using your other hand to work rather than record videos. That's the middle one I'm dealing with. Okay. The left side's good. The right side is gonna be good pretty soon. Okay, then push it up. Good. So on this side, I'll go ahead and pull it up. So that being done, go ahead and pull the thing up. Seems like the last one here, it's still holding it, so, or the thing that's holding it is probably the reverse camera. So we get tactful with this one. How about I pull it from the top? there you go. It's off, and it's being held by the push pad deal. So with that, or rather for that, what I'm going to do is, well, go inside here. I know the middle one is what holds it, right? This plug here, this one here, which leads to the brown one. So I'll push the clip, pull it out. Okay. Then push the entire plug through. Just push it. Hope it's not that much larger. No, it's not. So just push it in there. All right. Then get back out here. Pull this thing up. There you go. Piece is out. And as I said, you need to get to your chrome pieces. Here are screws on the back side of it. Just unscrew those. It's kind of like the hood one, the leading edge of the hood. And there you go. That's a top lip one. Top chrome piece. Okay, so on the way in, you're gonna have some problems because, as I can say, as I mentioned earlier, because of the clearance of the reverse camera. So you'll want to push it in, and you'll want to push it inside and then remove it. So go to this side of it, push it. Okay, push that side in. Then you'll be able to push the left side of it in. There you go. So it's loose and dropped in there, but you should be able to reattach the trim, the garnish, whatever, the piece over there. Then you can come back in here and push the camera in. So here you go. From this side, it shouldn't be complicated. Actually, here it seems like you just push the right side first, then the left follows, then the right clicks in. Either way, it works.